Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to NB Junction. Today my mother is going to make mutton biryani, and today we are going to share the recipe of the mutton biryani. Let's check it. Okay guys, now we have washed the mutton. Now we are going to marinate with curd, ginger garlic paste and chili powder and some turmeric, some jeera powder and some homemade masala, biryani masala, and a pinch of salt. Now we are going to marinate it properly so that all the masalas go inside the mutton. So guys, after the marination of mutton, now we will prepare our rice. We will take 3 cups of basmati rice. Now we will soak. So guys, after soaking the rice for 1.5 hours in water, we have finely chopped 3 onions. With half of them we will fry in for beresta, and half of them would go for mutton. And we have kept the water to boil. Boiling water, we will add 1 bay leaf, 1 cardamom, 1 star anise, some cloves and 2 elaichis. Make the beresta. Now we will add some oil in the pan and we will keep the flame high. Now we prepare our beresta. Now the onions have become golden brown in color. Now we will make the flame medium and we will keep the onion beresta in one plate. Now the water has been boiled. Now we will add the soaked rice with some salt and oil so that the rice will not be sticky. So guys, we have took another pot and we will make it warm with high flame, and we'll add the remaining onion and tomato for our mutton curry. And some salt for taste. And we'll stir it for some time. So guys, we have took another pot and we will make it warm with high flame, and we'll add the remaining onion and tomato for our mutton curry. Now after stirring the onion and tomato, we will add our marinated mutton and cook it in pressure cooker for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we have strained the excess water to make the rice half boiled, and when we'll keep it in dum, we'll make it full boiled. We'll add some food color for the dum biryani look. So our mutton curry is ready. Now we'll prepare for them. Stay with us. Now we'll add our prepared beresta. And some salt and some oil.
Ghee.
And some milk on top.
Kevda water.
And kevda water. Some drops of kevda water.
Shahi saffron.
Shahi saffron. And some rose water.
Coriander.
And coriander. And one chili in 2 pieces. Now we'll cover it with a lid. Guys, we have sealed the lid. Now we have to keep it for dum to 20 to 25 minutes in low flame. So guys, after 25 minutes, now we have to open the seal. Now it has become now 25 minutes has spent. Now we will be opening the seal.
Be careful because
it's hot, so while cutting, be careful. The smell is mouth watering. So guys, This is our dum biryani, mutton dum biryani.
ऊपर ये देखा
So guys, our mutton biryani is ready. You can eat it with green salad. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to ND Junction. Thank you for wait for the next video. Bye.